Hey friends, welcome back to another video on IMAT series. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you each and everything about how to prepare for IMAT 2025 exam. If you want to study medicine and surgery in Italy in English language, then you are going to attempt IMAT. I know, you know this thing, I hope. Anyways, so we are going to talk about the complete roadmap, complete blueprint that you need to prepare for IMAT so that you can score more than 60 marks. The merit is going up, but the hardness or the difficulty level is way more than down, and the merit is, that's why the merit is high. Anyways, I'm going to give you complete roadmap, so don't worry. Just like fasten your seat belts, we are going on that journey. So first of all, let me introduce you myself. I am Semi. I appeared in IMAT 2023 and got 46.2 marks. So in this video, first of all, we will talk about how to start your IMAT preparation. After you have started your preparation, now which lectures to use, how to build up your concepts, now what is the level of IMAT, and how to actually daily be aware of what I need to study today. We will talk about that thing, and then from where you should be practicing questions, but what type of questions you practice and how you can be sure of these types of questions are going to be your in IMAT exam, real IMAT exam. And then we will talk about the books, IMAT practice books, and then textbooks, each and everything. So don't worry. Now let's begin this video. So first of all, how to start your preparation? That's very easy. It's very easy. Just pick up syllabus and start your preparation. Now your question, you must have question. Sami, you have made this video like a very lengthy video. In this video, you just told us that syllabus and preparation. No, yeah, you just, these are the things that you need for preparation, but you need to score really good in IMAT. Now let me teach you the blueprint that I teach in my IMAT accelerator course, that I teach to every student, that this is the trajectory that you should be targeting, how you should be going through your IMAT preparation. This is like very comprehensive. I teach them in 2-3 hours, but I'm going to give you a brief overview in like 10 to 12 minutes. So let's start. First of all, make sure that you are going to make your planner. Okay, the planner is like a very debateful thing, that how I should make planner and everything. That is very easy. Just align all your subjects. I firstly recommend, because this is right now, if you have got 4 to 5 months for preparation and you just need to make a planner kind of this way, you can actually use ChatGPT as well. The Google Gemini are like very powerful to give you a comprehensive planner. So you can make this way, that just divide by subject, that on this day I need to prepare this subject, on this day I need to prepare this subject. Let's say on 14th you need to prepare biology, and on 16th, don't like on one day, remember this thing, just focus one subject. Now there is a PDF version of a syllabus is available. I will attach in video description. You can download from there. Now you have downloaded it, but remember this thing, before starting your preparation, this is the like a must do thing. Most students hesitate this thing. First, go to IMAT past paper, pick any past paper, no matter what, like maybe pick recent one, 2023 or 2024 one, just pick up that and solve them. Just solve it like you are attempting the real IMAT exam, and see how many marks you are going to get. And remember this thing, in IMAT exam there is 1.5 marks for correct option and minus 0.4 for wrong answer. So like make sure that you are doing all the criteria. Now just see how many marks you are going to get, how many marks you are getting. This is your level right now. So you can have a clear objective, clear idea in your mind that this is my level. Now I need to level up. So now I hope everything is clear. Now begin with the syllabus. Make a planner that I need to alternate days, select 2 to 3 days. Firstly, focus on the majority subjects like biology, chemistry, and I would say logical reasoning. Take logical reasoning, it's not like very hard. You take physics as well. Okay, 3 subjects: physics, biology, chemistry, and just prepare them. And these are easier because these are going to be same as you have studied in your high school. So there is like no rocket science, literally no rocket science. Now you started, so start with biology because it is more comprehensive and there are like more questions from there as well. So now you have started. Now the planner is in front of you for subject wise, although I have made the subject wise, but right now it's not like suitable for you. I will make a very comprehensive one and I will share it with you. There will be like an email I would say email joining list or wait list. You can join that. Whenever I will make that, I will send it to you straight for you to your email. Okay, well, again, within couple of days I will make that and I will send it to you. You are good to go. Now you are going. But here's the thing, you have to like ask this question to yourself: your concepts are good or not? If your concepts are not good, like there can be two categories. Okay, I'm dividing. One is here, one is here. Like one, your concepts are like really good. You attempted past paper and you can get the idea from attempting different questions. Like you can attempt the questions. If you can, your concepts are like good, and you probably know that I know these things. I have like done like I have grinded my blah, 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 in my high school, so I know lots of these things. You have attempted national exam as well. So if your concepts are good, then you have to just go with textbook and some little bit lectures, not the lectures. Like right now, you don't need to watch lectures to understand the topics. Like your concepts are good. So if you lie in this category, you just need to go to book, read book every day, and attempt as many questions as you can. Now, here's the category: if your concepts are not good, like you struggle with concept, you don't have got good understanding of the topics, then you need lectures. For that, remember this thing: you can utilize Khan Academy. There are different YouTube channels on YouTube. You can utilize them as well. That is going to be like lifesaver for you. And one thing that I recommend you students, that watch for like the tutors that you know in your country are famous. Watch those lectures. But there is like a way. You need literally I'm a style way of understanding the topics, because IMAT questions are really different from the questions that you see in your national examination or the questions that you have attempted in your high school. But anyways, we will not talk about that debate right now. But right now, if you lie in this category, just go with textbook and like watch the topics that you lag at. Okay, but if you lie in this category, go and sign up on Khan Academy. Just like watch the high school level topics lectures every day, every day, every day. This will help you to like Khan Academy lectures are not that good. Again, I'm telling you, not that good. For lectures, I have given a link below. You can go to that link and check out that. But those lectures are literally, but those will help you to understand topic. Now, lectures debate is over, but lectures are just going to give you understanding. Remember this thing: you have to read the book. Book is going to be a like a soul soul guide. How there is like a very good catch. I have explained the books, which books you need to use in this video. That is a very comprehensive video. You must have to watch that video if you are going for IMAT examination. Here's the catch: you need to highlight the book, because this book, the highlight material, is going to be lifesaver for you in your revision. Because if you are not going to do multiple revisions, you are not going to crack IMAT. This is the like right now I'm saying to you, you have to do lots of like revision. Spaced repetition is the like a key to success, key to crack your exam. Spaced repetition is just like doing for example, you studied any topic, let's say lipids today. You have to revise it within month, then again in month, then again in month. Then you will be like good to go. 4 to 5 revisions are like good. First revision must be after 2 weeks, second revision after 1 month, third revision after 2 months. That's all. Now, if you are using Anki, it has got an inbuilt algorithm that you can use the flashcards. I would not suggest you just go with like a traditional way. Use copy, pen and pencil and book. Now you are preparing really good. How? You are watching lecture, you are reading book, and you are doing the way you are doing. Here's the catch: that you need to attempt one IMAT past paper within 15 days to revive. Although you will be doing lots of practice on like IMAT past papers and different books that I'm going to tell you in a moment. You will be doing tons of practice, because if you didn't do practice, you are not going to crack. You will be doing that, but after 15 days, after 10 days, or after 1 week, 1 week is a like solid thing. Do one past paper, just like real IMAT exam. If you are doing that, that will help you to understand or like to know your level, where you stand at. And if you know this, like you are at like below 30 marks, then you need to get to 50, 60, because 60 is must be your threshold. If because the merit most probably going to decrease, but it can be as same as it is if the exam is not going to be hard. So if exams come again easier, it's going to be same. So you have to match that. Now you are going with the flow, very good flow. Remember this thing: make some short notes for yourself. For biology, chemistry and physics, that is very important. I have not got my handwritten notes as well. You can get the inspiration from them, use them. That is like those are very good notes because I know them. I have like got very good points in them. You can read them, you can like, you will understand what I'm talking about. You can get the inspiration, make some short notes for yourself that will help you in your revision. But that's all for your like going every day and grinding every day in terms of like passive preparation. But the real catch will come here. You have to practice tons of IMAT like past papers, tons of IMAT like past papers, no, IMAT past papers, and then IMAT like questions from different questions bank. There are different questions bank that I have mentioned again in this video, like in the second part of this video. You can go and watch that. I have got the free PDFs as well in that video, so you can download them and you can like practice them. Now, the good thing is you must be practicing 20 questions daily, but if you are not doing them, that's all right. You can do in after your once you have done the syllabus. And one recommended time period is you must complete your syllabus in 2 to 3 months, and then 1 to 2 months must be spent just practicing, reviving your concepts, all that. Okay, if you did that, 100% you are going to crack IMAT. But the catch is you have to attempt as many questions as you can. Then I have got the BMAT past paper solutions. BMAT section 2 is like a section where there are science subjects, maths, biology, chemistry, physics, maths, and maths. Yeah, these are the 5 subjects or 4 subjects in BMAT section 2. So you have to solve them as well. You can download the BMAT past papers from Cambridge, University of Cambridge website, and the solutions for the past papers I have uploaded on my website. You can watch this video in description. This video will be there, so you can watch that video as well. I have explained how you can access those solutions from 2003 to 2021. I have solved them, so you can access them for free, absolutely free. Now you have to download the past papers. I have got the IMAT past papers. The link will be in video description as well. On my website, the IMAT past papers are there, so you can download them as well. Now the keys are also there, so you can use them. How many questions you are attempting wrong, you can know that. Okay, but now you have done really good so far. Make sure that you are consistent. If one student, that is like a very hard thing. I am like, maybe you are skipping this, like about to skip this video, and now he is going to talk nonsense. But remember this thing: if you are not going to follow consistency, that is like a very bad thing, because you will lose so much. The time is moving really fast, and if you did not show up every single day, you will lose so much. And that is like, 2 things are really hard, you will see in your journey: practicing questions, and second, maintaining consistency. At least like select a schedule for yourself, 5 to 6 hours, that's all, and grind for like, do these 2 things daily. Show up daily. And then second thing, I know there will be ups and downs, there will be like marriages and deaths and all that thing. You will have to manage your life as well, but again, you can manage that, you can do that. And like, take leaves, you can enjoy, you have to enjoy. You don't need to grind all the way. You have to do that, but again, if you manage these 2 things, you will be like perfect at the end. But then the most important thing in your preparation will be, I would 100% suggest, I like mentioned to all of the students, like, record your progress every day, every single day. Record your progress, that where you are heading. Get a personal journal, or write it up every I have got day 1 app. Okay, there is a day 1 app that is a very good app. I have been using it from 2 years. I have got 600 days of streak as well on that app. So every day just journal there, just like what you did today. At the end of the day, at night, just write about how was your day, what you prepared, what went wrong, and what you need to actually focus more on. Is it chemistry, is it psychometry, and everything. And that's all. That will help you. That will literally, that I can't say any word, that the most perfect word will be game changer, literally game changer. Okay, I know this was a dummy blueprint for how you should be preparing. The syllabus, the past papers, BMAT past papers, all the books and resources are like mentioned in the video description. Go on to each and every link and access them, download everything, and start preparing. You can easily do it, 100% you will do it. I don't need to tell you everything. Now I hope you have liked this video. I know you haven't liked this video, like, thumbs it up. If you have thumbs it up, that's very good. Subscribe this channel. But the most important thing, now if you are looking for IMAT course, I have got a very good and very valuable and cheap course that is here. It has got so much everything that you literally need for your from A to Z of your IMAT preparation. So go check out that is IMAT success. These are IMAT success stories from 2024 that will like give you all the insights. So just head over there, and if you have got any query, just straightforwardly DM me in Instagram or just email me at sami@samigama.com. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till bye bye.